When you're starting out, it can be very difficult to make offers. One of the first things you really need to learn is how to comp properties, how to find out a true value of certain properties. The next thing you need to do is figure out repair costs. How can you go into a property and calculate repair costs? When I first walked in my first property, I had no idea what a bad roof looked like. I had no idea what a bad subfloor looked like. I didn't know how much it cost for paint and flooring and updates. But the more I did it, the more I learned and the more I retained. Pick up some classes, maybe go to a local RIA meeting and learn rehab costs and repair values. Also, guys, you don't want to kick your sellers in the gut. Yeah, it's great to get these properties as low as possible, but if it's not feeling like a win-win-win situation for everyone, then you're not being ethical. You need to be ethical in this business. You can make a lot of money by not ripping people off. Make them a fair offer. I'm usually around 70% of the Zillow price. Sometimes that's not accurate, but I like to stay within that model. And when you stay within that model, you're able to offer people a fair price and still make a lot of money reselling the deal to a new buyer. Guys, if you're interested in learning how to comp deals, how to see if a deal is good enough to wholesale, or how you can help other sellers in your market, reach out to me, leave me a message, leave a comment, reach out to me any way you can. I'll help you get started. Thanks, guys.